Are you looking for the best playground parts and supplies? Find everything you need at Discount Playground Supply, because the fun starts and continues here. At Discount Playground Supply, we don't install or repair playgrounds, but we do carry a wide selection of replacement parts and supplies that will keep your park, playground, or field sport areas in top condition. Many schools, parks, municipalities, daycares, and commercial property management groups turn to us as their sole source for new equipment or replacement parts. They get top quality products at great pricing and outstanding customer service that you will appreciate. Discount Playground Supply has playground parts and supplies, including everything from playground borders and swing parts to complete outdoor play sets. If you are a contractor or park and playground maintenance professional, call us. We're known for our excellent customer service. Keeping your playground, park, sports field, and common areas in top shape is our #1 priority. Visit discountplaygroundsupply.com or call 888-760-2499 for your playground parts and supplies today.